Right guys, today we got this 2005 Jaguar X Type. The customer phoned us up because he had a turbo actuator fault code on the system, and luckily we've managed to resolve that now through a bit of manual leverage, and we've put some stage 3 turbo cleaner in the air intake as well, into the turbo directly actually, just to help free that up. It's not something we usually come across, and it's not something we usually do. We've decided to go with this stage 1 carbon clean as well, just for preventive measures. But the actuator, which is here, that was stuck solid, and it wasn't moving at all, which was then telling the vehicle that the actuator wasn't working, which in actual fact it is working because it's a new one. But it was preventing the waste gates on the turbo from opening as well. So what we've done, we've sprayed in there, freed it all up, got a bit of leverage on it and started just loosening it up forwards and backwards, moving it freely, and it's absolutely fine now. We've cleared the fault codes. Also, when we rev the vehicle now, the guy's over there talking to someone, so I can't actually do it now, but when we rev, the actuator moves freely, so that's what we've managed to sort out, guys.